Welcome to this guided exploration of some of the most important concepts in the Yoga Sutra tradition. Today, we journey through essential terms that illuminate how practice, detachment, subtle impressions, and liberation weave together to create the full spectrum of yogic transformation. The foundation of progress in yoga is sadhana, the disciplined effort towards self-realization. This includes physical practices, breath regulation, ethical living, and meditation. Among the many expressions of sadhana, two qualities stand at the heart of Patanjali's method: abhyas, or steady and long-term practice, and vairagya, the cultivated freedom from attachment. Abhyasa stabilizes the mind through repeated effort, while vairagya releases the grip of desires, creating balance between engagement and inner freedom. A more refined stage is paravairagya, the highest form of detachment. Here, even attachment to spiritual experiences, luminous inner states, and the influence of the gunas is released. This level of renunciation prepares the mind for deep cessation and the emergence of asamprajnata samadhi. For most practitioners, progress is supported by a series of inner qualities. These include Shraddha, the faith that gives direction and confidence; Virya, the energy and courage needed to persist; Smriti, the memory that retains insight; Samadhi, the integration of the mind; and Prajna, the clarity that reveals truth directly. Together, these qualities form an unshakable foundation for yogic evolution. The Yoga Sutras also outline what happens to advanced yogis after leaving the body. Those who have attained high meditative states may experience paths shaped by their remaining impressions. Some become videha, disembodied beings absorbed in bliss yet still subtly attached to the experiencer. Others become prakriti laya, merging into the highest level of cosmic intelligence while still holding on to the sense of pure I-amness. Both appear elevated but remain within the domain of prakriti and eventually return for completion. True liberation can unfold in several ways. Sadhyo mukti, or immediate liberation, occurs when all impressions that cause outward movement have dissolved, allowing consciousness to rest fully in its own nature. Krama mukti, or gradual liberation, arises when subtle impressions remain but are purified in the luminous field known as Aditya Loka, a realm of pure sattva where final transformation occurs. A third possibility is the Avatara pathway, where fully liberated beings return out of compassion, guided by a pure intention known as Kalyana Sankalpa. Along the spiritual path, several psychological dangers must be recognized. Asakti, or attachment, can arise even toward exalted states. Videha practitioners may experience ahamkara asakti, an attachment to the subtle sense of the experiencer. Prakriti laya practitioners may experience asmita asakti, clinging to pure existence itself. These attachments lead to prakriti bandha, subtle bondage within nature, and are described as bandha rupa, states resembling liberation but not truly free. Understanding the difference between chitta and purusha is essential. Chitta, though appearing conscious, is jada, a material construct of the gunas. Purusha is chaitanya, pure awareness, unchanging and self-luminous. The culmination of yoga is swarupa avasthiti, the resting of consciousness in its own pure nature. This is kaivalya, absolute freedom, where the purpose of the gunas is fulfilled and no further becoming remains. The tradition also speaks of nirmana chitta, the pure and intention-driven mind formed by liberated beings who return for teaching. Their actions arise from clarity, not karma, and their presence embodies the union of wisdom and compassion. Through these concepts, the Yoga Sutra presents a complete map of practice, transformation, danger, discernment, and liberation. It reveals how every step, from discipline and detachment to the subtlest distinctions between reflection and pure awareness, guides the seeker toward freedom. Thank you for joining this journey into the deeper layers of yogic understanding. If you found this meaningful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and explore more detailed wisdom at hinduinfopedia.